How to verify ID on Prizepicks. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can verify ID on Prizepicks. So in order to verify your ID on Prizepicks, all you need to do is open up a web browser. You can also do this with the help of an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same, only there will be some slight differences. So first of all, on the web address bar, type in www.prizepicks.com. That's going to direct you to their official webpage. Over here, tap the login button, enter in your credential, and you'll be logged into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which indicates that you've successfully logged in. So in order to verify your identity on Prizepicks, it's only going to accept when you provide in a valid document such as government's ID, license, and whatsoever. Also, when you're uploading it, make sure that you take a clear picture, as you might get rejected from verifying. Once logged in, click the profile icon. From there, go to accounts. And once you are on the accounts page, right in between you'll be able to see an option as to verify. So you'll have to look for the option and tap on it, and then you'll be instructed on what documents will require and what sort of information you should provide in. So go through the instructions or the prompt and accordingly upload the images or the files. That's how you can verify your ID on Prizepicks. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.